We made it successfully into the room. So this is, we booked actually, I guess what they call a French door room, which is an interior category. So it's not that pricey. It's an economical option, and it's not really a balcony. Let's do a room tour and show you around the room and what a French door room is. So we come into the room. Look at you. That's where you sit. We have this cool couch area to sit on.
I do like this.
There's our bed. That's the French door, which we'll look at in a second. We have a television from 1981.
No.
All sorts of cabinetry. Fun times. A mirror. That's a telephone. The safe should be in here. Hey, safe. Thanks for keeping things safe. Let's check out our closet situation. Closet number 1. Shelves.
It has a big mirror.
And a full-length mirror. You do like that. Closet number 2. Hangers for tall stuff like me. Closet number 3. More hangers. Oh, usually one of them has like a little bar mid-level. Life vests, hangers. And we have the standard bathroom. Showery area, toilety area, towels, shaving mirror, big mirror with me, sink, floor, toilet brush. Yes. But the feature we were curious about in this room is the French door. There's not much of a view out there, which I guess is why they call it an interior. It's not like, ooh, you get an awesome view. Yeah, try to see if you can open it. Apparently you have to be real secure because it locks up there. It locks down here. But we can open a door. Well, you know, if the bed wasn't there, we could open the door.
You can definitely see.
Yeah, you can look out. I picked one of the rooms that's between the lifeboats, so we do have the end of a lifeboat there and the end of a lifeboat there. So we have a little crack that you can like look out over the rail and see stuff.
No, you'll be able to see it. We just wanted to see what it would be like, just if people were curious.
I like it. It's like a balcony that's, you know, not a balcony. Well, but you can't walk out there, so. Then you have to learn how to lock the door.
That's not good.
Whoop!
There we go.
Hey!
Keep door closed, air conditioned.
Well, now that we've just broken the law, there's a big blue sign that says for safety reasons, you can't even open this door.
But what's the point of having a door? They should have just put a window.
That's true. I don't know. We're probably going to open this door, so.
No.
Shh, no, we're not. Yes, we are. That is our room tour. Wasn't that exciting?
So quick.
Now we are maybe going to go up and get you a snack, because I know you said you're hungry.
Water, yeah.
That's a snack. So filling.